If you're posting YouTube videos and still not getting clients, you're making the same mistakes 90% of business owners make. And the frustrating part is, it's not because your videos aren't getting clients. In fact, some videos get thousands of views and still generate nothing because views aren't automatically turned into clients. I've seen channels with 50,000 subscribers generating zero revenue and channels with less than 1,000 subscribers bringing in clients every single month. The difference isn't luck, it's how the channel is built. And in this video, I'll show you the 4 mistakes that stop YouTube from becoming client acquisition channel and how you can actually fix them. Most business owners treat YouTube like creators do, but you're not trying to become famous. You're trying to get clients, and those are two completely different games. Let me explain that. First thing first, virality versus buyer intent. On YouTube, you have two completely different paths. You have the creator path and you have the business owner's path. Let's start with the creator path. The creator focus on engagement, followers, viewers, and virality to get as many people watching as possible because their revenue usually comes from ads, sponsorships, brand deals. So for them, more views equal more money. That's it. In the other hand, you have your path as a business owner on YouTube. So your goal is different. Your goal from YouTube is to get clients, solve problems, and target qualified buyers. And this is a small example to understand what I'm talking about. If you sell $3,000 service, you don't need a million views. You might only need 1 or 2 qualified buyers watching your video. And that alone could generate more revenue than a viral video. And to make it clear to you, let me explain it. A video with 200 views from the right people is more valuable than a video with 200,000 views from the wrong audience. So you have to be specific and target specific audience. That's your path as a business owner. The shift you need to make is stop thinking like a creator chasing virality and start thinking like a business owner building client acquisition system. By the way, if you want help building a YouTube system that actually books qualified calls per month, the link in the description. If not, keep watching. The next part is very important. Second point is no funnel structure. You posting randomly. That means every video trying to do everything. No clear viewer progression. Your audience doesn't move through a journey. They just watch random content. Second, no trust built. Trust requires multiple touch points. Random videos can't do that. Third point is no buyer intent. People aren't warmed up. They don't know you. They don't trust you yet. So why you put the CTA, a lot of CTAs inside your videos? The last point is no course book because there's no system guiding them toward taking action. But when you think of your YouTube channel like a funnel with the 3 stages, the top of funnel, the middle of funnel, and the bottom of funnel videos. Let's start with the top of funnel videos. The top of funnel videos is where you attract problem-aware viewers. So the goal is to get them watching. They don't know you yet or they don't see you before. So they have to know you. You have to build content that actually attract them. Second is the middle of funnel videos is where you nurture your audience. And here when you can actually build trust with educational videos and step-by-steps or free courses, all of this help you to build trust. And the last stage is the bottom of funnel videos is when you convert high intent buyers. And the goal here is turn warm viewers into booked calls. When you build your YouTube videos with these 3 pillars of the funnel, each video in your channel, it has to be top of funnel or middle funnel or the bottom funnel video. And each level has a goal. The top of funnel when you attract problem-aware viewers, the middle of funnel when you nurture them and build trust, and the bottom funnel when you convert them. Now the third mistake is offer an audience alignment. Business owners struggle because their content speaks to everyone instead of the right buyer. If your audience isn't clear, your content attracts attention, not clients. So here are 3 questions every business owner must answer before making any video. First question, who's your audience and who is not? Ask yourself, what are they trying to achieve right now? And what are they currently struggling with? For example, I help agency owners stuck under $20,000 a month. Now you are speaking to people with the real business, with the real problems, people who can pay, and people actively looking for solutions. Second point or second question is, what are their problems? And what problems do you solve? Your content must speak to their problems. And here when you can actually attract them. And ask yourself, what frustrates them right now? And what is slowing their growth? And most importantly, are you directly solving that problem? And the third question before making any video, you have to ask what result do they want and what result do you deliver? Because people don't buy services, they buy outcomes. So you have to ask yourself, what outcome are they trying to achieve and what transformation do they want? And speak directly to the result they want. And let me use my own service as an example. First question is, who is my audience? My target audience are business owners like agency owners, coaches, financial experts. Second question, what are their problems? They struggle to get consistent clients and book sales calls every single month. These are the problems you must address in your content. The third question is, what result do they want? But they want predictable, qualified sales calls every month. It's very simple. So you have to ask these three questions before making any YouTube video to actually attract the right target audience. What happens when your audience is clear? Your content attracts qualified buyers, like what we mentioned before. Your message resonates instantly. Your viewers trust you faster. And your content converts into clients because the right person feels this is exactly for me. Now the fourth and the final mistake is retention psychology. The big problem is posting videos without structure designed to convert viewers into clients. Here is the reality. YouTube is not just about information. It's about guiding attention step by step toward conversion. And here is the structure you should follow. First, the hook. The goal here is to attract the right viewer and create curiosity so they keep watching. And this is the first 20 to 60 seconds of your video. And if your hook doesn't grab attention, they scroll. The second one is the body. This is where you address their pain points, explain the solution, and build trust. And don't forget to include soft CTA because most viewers won't watch till the end because the average retention in YouTube is 40%. So try to include the soft CTA on the 30% of the video. And the last point is the outro. Summarize what they learned and tell qualified viewers exactly what to do next. And by the way, if you want me to make a video explaining how to build videos that attract clients and convert consistently, just tell me in the comments. If you want me to make a YouTube video showing exactly how to script a YouTube video that guide viewer from the hook to take an action you want, just drop a comment. Peace.